Welcome to iMobi Support Channel. This video will show you how to export data from Android device to computer with DroidKit. Open DroidKit on your computer and choose the Device Manager under Data Manager. Then, please click the Start button. Please connect your Android device to the computer with a USB cable. Once your device is detected, please click the Start button. Then, please choose the Export Content option. Please choose the file category you want to transfer. Then, please click the Next button. Then, please click Continue button to start the transferring process. When the transfer is completed, you can click the View Files button to locate exported data on computer. You can also click the Transfer More button to go back to the previous interface.